Good morning and welcome to SH Defense. We always get the question, where do you design and where do you manufacture your equipment? Today we will take a tour around the workshops. We are located in North Europe, in Denmark, in the city of Svendborg. Welcome. This is our facility where we make all the welding on the constructions. Here behind me you see the winch for a launch and recovery system. Here we have some parts for cranes. And here you see the rooms for some of the bigger cranes. And here what you see is we're doing machine-made doors in aluminium. In here we have the automation workshop where we also do the electric cabinets. Here we do the assembly of the cabinets for the equipment. Here we enter the workshop. This is where we have all the machinery. This means the milling machines, the lathe. Here we have machining components for smaller winches. And here we have some special made steel constructions for different applications. Winches, launch recovery systems, handling of drones. Now this is one of the assembly halls. Let's go and check. Here we also have assembly of some of our HPUs, hydraulic power packs. Wrapped into this plastic we have a multi-mission module, the cube. Here we have some of the bigger HPU systems. On the other side here we have various crane systems. We have tensioners, we have launch and recovery systems. And here in the background you see the storage of multi-mission modules, the cube. Now here we enter the engineering department. So, what are you doing?
I'm creating a long-term recovery system for a stern boat.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Nice. Thank you for joining this tour around SH Defense. And keep in mind, we do everything in-house.